Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up hotkeys on NinjaTrader 8. So what you'll need to do is basically open your control panel of NinjaTrader and go to the tools. Right here you'll see from this drop down menu the hotkeys, so click on the hotkeys and you'll see chart, global, market analyzer, NinjaScript, editor, order entry and super DOM. So basically right here, you can edit the basic hotkeys. So let's say for the alerts, you can click and record on hotkey. So let's click on the dot and you'll see the hotkey must contain at least one modifier. So let's say Ctrl plus M, and that's how you set a hotkey. Now to save all of this, you'll need to click apply and now it will be saved. And you can select for every comment to set a hotkey. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.